In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide, pause a Shopify store. If you're taking a break from your business, you don't have to shut everything down or lose the work you've already put in. Pausing your Shopify store lets you save on subscription costs while keeping your products, theme, and settings intact, and it takes just a moment to set up. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the lower left corner, go to Settings, then click Plan. This page is the control center for your subscription and the live status of your online store. On the plan page, choose Deactivate Store. Don't worry, this click doesn't erase anything. Instead, Shopify will present a few paths forward. You can sell your store, deactivate it completely, or select Pause and Build. Choose Pause and Build. This option keeps your storefront online at a reduced monthly cost, so visitors can still view your catalog. They can browse your collections and product pages, but checkout is disabled, so no new orders can be placed while you're paused. Behind the scenes, you can keep working exactly as you need to, updating products, editing your theme, drafting content, and preparing campaigns, without paying for a full plan. It's ideal for a seasonal pause, a rebrand, or a maintenance window when you want to stay discoverable without processing transactions. Existing links to your products still load, which helps preserve continuity for customers and search engines during the break. Next, review the terms on the confirmation screen and confirm your choice. Take a moment to read any notes about pricing, feature limits, and billing dates, since those details can vary by region and account. It's normal to see notices explaining that certain sales channels and checkout features won't be available while paused. That's really it. Your store remains live as a browsable catalog, your data stays safe, and you're not paying for functionality you're not using. You can remain on pause and build for as long as you need. When you're ready to start selling again, return to the same plan area, pick a new paid plan, and your checkout will come back online right away. All of your products, pages, and design work will be right where you left them, so you can move from paused to live in minutes. Business on your terms. Your store is now safely paused and ready for your return. If this walkthrough helped, save it for later so you can switch back to selling the moment you're ready.